You feel gravity every second of your life, and yet almost everything you think you know about it is incomplete. Start with this. Gravity is, by a staggering margin, the weakest of the four fundamental forces in the universe. A small refrigerator magnet can defeat it instantly, lifting a paperclip clean off the ground against the gravitational pull of an entire planet. And yet it is gravity alone that shapes galaxies, bends the paths of light, and determines the fate of stars. But here is what gets stranger. Gravity does not just pull objects, it slows time itself. This is not a metaphor, it is measurable. Clocks on the ground floor of a building tick fractionally slower than clocks on the top floor, because they sit slightly deeper in Earth's gravitational field. The GPS satellites orbiting above us run fast by roughly 38 microseconds per day for this exact reason, and engineers must correct for it constantly, or your navigation would drift by about 10 kilometers every single day. And yet even that is not the most remarkable part. According to Einstein's general relativity, gravity is not actually a force pulling you down. It is the curvature of space-time itself. Mass bends the fabric of space and time around it, and what we experience as gravity is simply objects following the straightest possible path through that curved geometry. You are not being pulled. You are falling along a curve in the universe's architecture. Even more surprising, in 2015, for the first time in history, scientists detected gravitational waves, ripples in space-time itself, produced by two black holes colliding 1.3 billion light-years away. The detector that caught them, LIGO, measured a distortion smaller than 1/10,000th the diameter of a single proton. And then there is this. No one, not Newton, not Einstein, not any physicist alive today, fully understands why gravity exists at all. We can describe it with breathtaking precision. We can predict it. We can use it to navigate the solar system. But its ultimate origin remains one of the deepest unsolved mysteries in all of science. In a universe built with such elegant precision, that wonder points somewhere far greater than coincidence.